Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be doing a traditional crochet install with no leave out, and as you saw in the intro, you can wear this hair in a middle part and with a side part, and this is my braid pattern. This hair was sent to me by Ywigs. They did send over to me their number 4 medium brown water curly human crochet hair, and I did receive it in an 18-inch, I believe. The exact length will be listed down below, but as you saw in the beginning, I did cut it to my liking and I made a face framing bob version and I love it. This is the hair. The curl is really pretty. The number 4 color is really pretty too. It's very different, and I am doing a traditional crochet install. You're literally inserting your hook, attaching the crochet hair, pulling it through, and then making a loop. It's pretty simple. Crochet is one of the easiest styles you can do. Anybody can do this. As you can see, pulling the hair through again, pulling inserting the hair in the loop, and then closing it, and that's pretty much all we're gonna do, and we are gonna keep doing that all over the head until it is completed. What I did is make smaller braids on the sides as well as on the top where I wanted to do like my side part and my middle part, and then on the back I did bigger braids because it really doesn't matter. The hair is really full, so it's gonna cover well, and I believe I used about 2 packs at the top just to fill out the smaller braids, and for a few of them I did double knot just to shorten the string. But that's all we're gonna do, guys. Keep installing the hair, and there's really nothing to explain. You can just continue watching. And for this entire install, I used close to 4 packets of the hair, and I do believe I got either 5 or 6 packets to do this style, but because of the way how I did it, I didn't end up using over 4 packs. I put the most detail in the front because that's the part that's gonna show the most, and then the front will just fall over the back, so the back doesn't need too much. You can fill it in as much as you want it to. I wanted it to feel lightweight on my head. I wanted it to look realistic in a sense, and I didn't want it to just be just big and poofy, so I was careful with how I installed the hair, putting most of the coverage on the top and then spacing out the back. That is how it looks when I have the entire top covered, and that is around 2 packets of the hair. Now we're gonna go in and just do the back in no special way. I'm literally just adding the hair on the braids and covering as much as I can in the back. Guys, crochet is so easy. It's not something you can mess up. And when the hair gets older and your braids underneath are not as neat, I think that's when the hair looks really good. Every time I do crochet, I usually like it way more once the hair has been in for a while, it's gotten lived in, and the hair just gets better and better. So this is a style you can keep in for a good amount of time. This is what it looks like after I added in the hair, and as you can see, the top covers everything. If you want more hair, you definitely can, but this was really full in my opinion, and I wanted my hair to kind of frame my face and just to have more shape. I did go off camera and trim it because I wasn't sure exactly how much I was going to trim. So yeah, I did it off camera, sorry. but just cut it to your liking. Start with like a little bit at a time and just trim it to your face shape. Of course, we're gonna wet the hair and define the curls because I did cut it when it was wet instead of doing it when it was dry, and I think that helped to guide in how I was cutting it versus doing it when it's fully dry, so I could at least get an idea of the length of the hair. And I did go in with a little bit of mousse and a little bit of gel over top. So any mousse, any gel that you have, you can just lightly go in to detangle the hair and define the curl. And this is the hair after I trimmed it to my liking. I am going in just to add a little bit of like edge control to just neaten the front parts of my hair. Is the finished results. The hair is so lightweight, it feels good, it flows, and at this point the hair isn't fully dry, but it's at a nice flow state. And as you can see, guys, the hair is just so light. Look at how it's moving, and I love that for us. I don't like my hair feeling heavy or doing too much. This is perfect for me. I love the color. It's super cute. And then I also, of course, I had to, try to see what it looked like on the side because I'm a side part girly. But I think it looks so natural and it looks very realistic. If you guys are interested in this hair, then like definitely check out the description box down below. All the links, all the details will be down below. And let me know if you guys would try this style. Crochet is literally, it has my heart. I never used to like crochet, but once you get the right hair and the right technique down, you'll actually like it. Crochet is so fun, so easy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.